Hey there, and welcome back to Hugo House. Today we're going to talk about this luxurious and spacious lodge in Scotland. The Montgomery Executive Lodge is part of the St. Andrews Forest Lodges in Kincaple, St. Andrews, Southern Highlands, Scotland. The luxurious and spacious cabin buildings have two doubles and one twin-sized bed, all with an ensuite shower. There is a sauna, an open floor plan lounge diner with a modern kitchen area and doors that lead to a terrace with outdoor furniture and an outdoor hot tub. Each lodge has 3 bedrooms and can accommodate up to 6 people with 2 pets allowed. The wood cabins have a beach nearby, Wi-Fi, wheelchair access, a private hot tub, and are pet-friendly. You'll have your choice of 2 and 3 bedroom wood cabins that are set close to St. Andrews. The wood cabins have an outdoor hot tub, flat-screen television, DVD and Wi-Fi, and a kitchen that includes a microwave, dishwasher, and a washing machine. Each wood cabin has a shower, bed linens, duvets, and towels with central heating included. Travel cots and high chairs at an additional fee. All of the lodges have wheelchair access that is suitable for parties including visitors with partial disabilities. You'll want to check when booking. The following are just some of the activities you can enjoy during your vacation stay. Biking in St. Andrews. Situated in the center of the scenic 5 coastal path, you'll want to take advantage of all there is to see with St. Andrews Bike Hire. Positioned just a short distance away from the Elderburn luxury lodges, the town of St. Andrews has a range of bike hire options to suit the whole family. Explore the 5 coastal path. The Kingdom of Fife has several attractions that you'll be sure to enjoy. One of the must-see attractions during your vacation stay is that of the 5 Coastal Path. Officially formed in 2002, this 177-mile-long path spans the distance of the coastline from the North Queens Ferry to Tayport. The path meanders through the several of Fife's key historical sites and offers walkers technical challenges and varying difficulties. Enjoy discoveries of dolphins, puffins, and seals as you explore this historical path and visit many of the charming seaside villages and towns that give the Fife community its personality. Spokes Cycles. St. Andrews Bike Hire. Walking the expanse of the 5 coastal path can be an exhausting thing to do, with the entire path estimated to take about an entire week to walk from beginning to end. Enter Spokes Cycles St. Andrews. This local company provides an efficient and quality bike hire without the restrictions of hourly rates. Rentals start at just £20 per day for bike hire, with the price being inclusive of helmets and locks if required. There is a discounted weekly rental rate of £95 is also available if you plan to bike all of the 7 days of your Southern Highlands vacation away. Cycling breaks in St. Andrews. St. Andrews is an excellent destination for anyone considering a cycling break. This location offers stunning countryside and coastal paths, cultural attractions, world-class golf, and fine dining. Thank you for watching this video, and please do drop a like because it would really help our channel grow. Also, subscribe to our channel. We will be featuring different houses every single day, from local homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and to other inspiring home ideas.